What I have here is an old-fashioned analog galvanometer here, which has a needle that can go from left to right. And I have connected to it this series of coils. And I'm going to take a magnet here. This is actually, the blue part is a magnet, and then I have an additional strong magnet at the end of it. And I'm going to insert it into the coil and show you what happens to the galvanometer meter. The galvanometer will detect any small amount of electric charge flowing through it. So if I take this and, let's see, what's the best way to do this as far as my view is concerned. Here, I'm going to insert the magnet from the left, and you notice that the galvanometer goes to the left. Now that's a function of whether this is a north end or south end of the magnet that I'm inserting, a function of how many coils I have and how fast I'm inserting it. Oops, I missed. There we go. And notice when I insert it goes one way, when I pull it out it goes the other way. And if I insert it and then pull it all the way through, it goes the opposite direction as well. So without getting into the bookkeeping of considering which way those wires are wound and how it's connected to the galvanometer and whether I have a north pole entering or a south pole entering, let me just summarize a couple of things. If I go from north pole to south pole, if I just switch the direction of my magnet, the effects on the galvanometer will be switched. If I go from inserting to removing, that will also switch the direction that the galvanometer records.